Cheesy shrimp tacos, baby. Yes! Start with some diced onions and diced tomatoes. We're going to add some corn after you drain it. Then you're going to stir it up and let it saute. Add some shrimp and some taco seasoning. Stir that up and let it saute. Add some black beans and yes, honey, stir it up. Add some olive oil and the taco seasoning to a bowl. Mix it and then brush your flour tortillas and put it in a hot pan. Brush both sides and flip it over. Add your Monterey Jack cheese, your veggies, and your shrimp, honey, and then flip that thing and get it ready. Now we're going to add our verde sauce and a little bit of cilantro, and then now we're going to taste. Come on, baby, look at that. Yes! So good. Don't forget to follow honey, and the recipe will be on Instagram. Yes!